Trello is an amazing platform for your business when it comes to planning, systems, project management, and overall organization. But what good is Trello if all you do is stare at this blank blue screen, not knowing what to put in there? I'm going to show you the 4 essential boards you need for Trello for your business and how to get started with each one. Hey there, I'm Veronica Yanhs, and on this channel you're going to find tips, tricks, and tutorials as to how to create business systems for yourself that's really easy. And let me just say that I love Trello because it's the one platform that can act as my project management area and my business operations and systems area. It's a total win-win. So let's get started on my screen. All right, so an essential board that you need for your business in Trello is for content marketing. So the boards that you could set up are blogging, social media, editorial calendars, even YouTube workflows, whatever works for you and your people. Like, how do your people like to consume your content best? And for the sake of transparency and education, here's my YouTube and blogging and essentially marketing workflow in Trello. Next, you need a big picture yearly business goals and project board. So you have to be strategic in business and you can't just willy-nilly do the things that randomly feel good. There's got to be some sort of structured freedom in there. Create a board that plans out your year, even if you're starting out in Q4. And I would start out with a theme that then gets broken down into quarterly goals and projects. Oh, by the way, if this is something that you're interested in, you can download this exact board in my free resource library with the download link in the description box. Now that you've got your yearly goals and projects planned out for your business, the next board that you need to create is for your specific projects and to-do lists. There are so many ways that you can set up your projects and tasks list. So for myself, I have a board that's for my blogging and marketing, and then I have a board for business to-dos, and then I have a board that's for client to-dos so that they don't get mixed up. And then finally, especially if you perform services for clients, your client management board is going to be extremely important. And then you also have a board that could be about creating client work. So if you are going to be giving deliverables to your clients, how do you know what work needs to be done? So create boards that make sense for you as to how to keep track of all the things that need to be done. Awesome! I hope you found this video extremely helpful in terms of where you need to get started with Trello in your business to stay strategic and organized. Like this video if you want more videos like this, and subscribe to my channel and send this video to a friend in need who could use better workflows and Trello boards in their business. So I'm Veronica Yanhs, and I will see you in the next video. That's all I got for you. Bye!